Hi, I'm Dark Edward the Blue Engine Bowser. And today, I'm going trick-or-treating while grounded since today is Halloween. There. Now to sneak out of the window to go trick-or-treating.
What do you think you're doing, Dark Edward the Blue Engine Bowser?
What? How did you know I was going to trick-or-treating while I'm grounded?
I saw on my device controller that you were going trick-or-treating when you're not supposed to while you're still grounded.
Dang it.
Dang it is right. For that, go home right now and tell your parents about that.
Dark Edward the Blue Engine Bowser. We saw that Talking Hank stopped you from going trick-or-treating while you're still grounded, so good. We told you not to go trick-or-treating while grounded. But you did not listen to us.
And for that, you are grounded for 439 months.
Go upstairs to your room right now. And no more Halloween candies for you. Or else we will send you to Georgia.
Fine. Have it your way, Mom, Dad, and Edward the Blue Engine Bowser Jr.